Hello, this is Simon Klein from TradeSmart at 8 a.m. Eastern Time on the 3rd of December 2017. Welcome to this week's episode of Where is the Dollar Going Next? And what you see before you is a dollar index on the daily chart wound back to the end of the previous week. We said last week, based on the weekly chart primarily, that it's most likely that the market will continue moving to the downside and any move up is most likely to be sold. So let's take a look at how the market played out last week. So on Monday, the market actually sold off initially and then bounced back, putting in a bullish bar, which means it's most likely to continue moving to the upside. So on Tuesday, the market did continue moving to the upside. On Wednesday again, we moved slightly more to the upside. On Thursday though, we moved up and then sold off. And on Friday, we moved up again and then sold off. And as you can see, the market moved up and then sold off, which is what we said was most likely to happen last week. So the question is this: where is the dollar likely to go next from here? So as long as we stay below this supply zone over here, it's most likely we'll continue moving to the downside. But if we do go above here, then we may actually get a bounce to the upside. So let's take a look at the larger time frames and see what they say about price. Now, if we look at the weekly chart, as we said last week, we already went below this pivot here, meaning that most likely any move to the upside will be sold, and it's most likely will continue moving to the demand zone below. And if we take a look at the monthly chart, the month of November is now closed. The monthly bar for November closed down, making the odds of a continuation of the move to the downside greater. But in order to move to the downside, we must first go below and close below this demand zone. We may actually find support here and bounce to the upside, but again, the odds are still greater that we'll continue moving to the downside, and if and when we move below this demand zone, it's most likely price will continue moving to the downside to this demand zone below. Now what I'd like to do now is point your attention to our live trading room. We run from Sunday to Thursday. On Sunday we actually prepare for the week. We have a weekly preparation session where we go through all the markets that we trade on the multiple time frames, much like we're doing now, but in much more detail, pointing out where the new supply and demand zones are and what's likely to happen during the week. So we have a game plan for the week. And the rest of the week from Monday to Thursday we trade the US Open, and we start at 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time, and we run for about an hour, maybe a little bit more, depending on what's going on in the market. So if you'd like to join our live trading room, you can start with a 2-week trial at a reduced rate, and I'll leave a link below this video, whether you're watching on my YouTube channel or whether you're watching it on my blog, so you can sign up. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe at the end. This is Simon Klein from TradeSmart, wishing you the best of luck with your trading this week.